Level 3. So I gotta eat the ice cream first, or?
The chili first. The red one.
Just waiting for the jeep?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I'm trying to find some clothes right now.
These all the selections of belts.
And I need one because
Somewhat stretchable. Yes, this is stretchable. Yes, I have this kind of belt and it lasts very long.
okay.
There's a black and a blue one and a brown one.
Oh, okay. I might get this stretchy one.
Yes.
They don't seem to have one my size. So I gotta keep looking. So I only bought like 2 of them belts because all the other shorts don't fit me anymore. I think this is the colorful section of this mall. Jade, I'm gonna buy something for you for Christmas. It has your name on it. We'll give this to you on your birthday in 2 months, okay? So, some napkins just in case you mess up on the cake. Cake with ketchup.
The free ride here. Over there.
Alright. You ride the jeepney to get the free ride. Get the experience. I'm drinking some herbal tea. It was a sample. It's pretty good, pretty hearty. Good for the throat. Kind of been coughing a lot lately, but it's pretty good. What's the place called?
What?
That I got my tea?
This one, turmeric.
It's called turmeric, I think. Oh yeah.
And they will put some milk.
Gotcha. Is this cheese?
Yes. Powder cheese.
And what?
Powder cheese and condensed milk. How does it taste?
Good. Good combo.
You mix it well.
Oh, to mix it?
Yes.
Like halo.
Yes.
So we're here in Pacific Mall in Legazpi, and I'm still searching for clothes because it's cheap, I guess. But there's so many restaurants. There's a McDonald's, there's a Jollibee, there's a Chowking, there's a Shakey's. I don't know what to eat. Still no luck on finding any clothes. Just food. How to be a boss without dying. I almost died. Okay, we're running up here in the LCC Mall in Legazpi. I'm gonna try these on. Yeah, so I tried them on, and apparently I'm a size 36, so 36 here is smaller than the one in the US. So if you're gonna buy something, go bigger So if you're size 36, go 38. If you're an extra large, go XXX large. I don't know. Alright, well, let's take this back. So we're gonna go with the FUBU since it's a little bit bigger. Or the Bobson, which is like right there. I don't know about that. 700 pesos.
38.
38 pesos?
No, 38.
Oh, 38 size. Okay. Alright, we're gonna try the other one because the other one's too expensive. Alright, I'm gonna try this one. It's a 36, but it's fit. You know, I'm a 38 here in the Philippines, so we'll see. So these both fit pretty well, but I don't like the texture of this one, and this one's super expensive. Okay, it's totally difficult to find clothes my size. Cause I'm like 6'3", I'm like 225 or whatever. Ow, ooh, ooh, ooh. Got my foot. Yes, this is difficult. And everything's like hitting my head. You'll see me. Okay, it became 20 degrees hotter now, so I think it's time to go to the other mall. Yep, up there. So yeah, we're here at Ayala Mall, and this opened last year, right? Last year? Opened last year, right?
I guess.
So no more shopping, just go eat. Food's better than clothes. I'll do the level 3 Sili ice cream.
Wait, what's for lunch?
It's too spicy, huh? Too spicy? Okay.
Are you sending all those pictures to Mark?
Oh no, on Facebook. It's all on Facebook. Level 3. Well, I gotta eat the ice cream first, or?
The chili first.
Ooh.
No, I'm just kidding. So how does it taste?
That's spicy, but it's like,
It's creamy, right?
it's creamy. Maybe one chili.
Are you sure?
We'll see. It's kind of hot.
You want more water?
Yep.
One pitcher of water? I already tried it.
I'm gonna finish this because I came here for this. This is not even volcano. This is so hot.
So you're gonna try it again?
Huh?
Next time? You have to try the volcano. Okay.
No. Living level 3 is hot. Okay, it's spicy, but like it cools down. This one?
The red one is more spicy.
The red one's more spicy? This one?
Yes. You get the other one already, right?
That was the orange. Okay. A little bit spicy.
There's a way out here. I guess so. Ah, yeah! Oh, sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh, pala, my goodness. Sorry.
It's funny because I've been here for 5 days and I still haven't been to Jollibee. How crazy. I need to go to Jollibee soon, but I already ate. So yeah, after eating the chili ice cream, I thought it was good. When I first tasted, I thought, you know that feeling when you eat hot Cheetos? That's the feeling when you get when you eat the ice cream first and then the spice comes in later. But it was way too spicy for me. It was like a level 3, and there's like 4 levels, so level 4 is the hottest one, so I couldn't even stand the level 3, so I failed that mission pretty bad.
Later.
They do it here manually.
Getting the motorcycle fixed. The tire's gonna flip out. It's not too heavy. Get it? Going to get a Jeep. I have to go back to the Kaale right now. Woo! Okay, it's cool. It's good. So I'll be taking this Jeep to Kaale. It's gonna take an hour and a half to get there. Currently waiting. What time is it?
Almost 4 o'clock.
It's almost 4 o'clock, so I was gonna leave soon. Currently waiting at the moment. They're both recording me. Bye. Thank you. That was the longest 2 hours of my life. Oh my god. Hi, Dad.
Oh my goodness.
So this right here is natural spring water, and you can literally drink it. Really clean, really cool. Really good.